My name is Kaileen and this is my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon. I've had the EnduroSport lift on the Jeep for about 2 months now, and I really love that it improved the handling both on and off-road. It's really awesome because the shocks and the springs are actually tuned to work together, and what it does, it prevents a lot of body roll and body movement while you're articulating over rocks and while you're heading down really fast Jeep trails, because I do like to drive a little bit fast. I've been in the Jeep industry for over 3 years now, and this is my second Jeep. The first one had a previous lift kit on it, but I really didn't feel like it did justice to the Jeep when comparing it to the Dynatrac EnduroSport lift kit. This one actually prevents the body roll. It gives you just enough travel and space lift so that the Jeep isn't dragging on the tires, because immediately I wanted to put 37-inch tires on this thing right out of the gate. So I knew I needed to get a lift kit right away. But it's been a great kit, and I don't really have any complaints about it because the difference in handling and performance is amazing. Off-road and on-road, like even during cornering, I drive streets pretty fast, and so I think it's been amazing both on and off-road.